I would welcome all of you, the dealers who are very important for us, all the C&F agents who are participating here, all the transporter who are participating here, and I would like all of you to give a big clap of the people who have won the award today, who are the first dealer, who are the first transporter. Please give a big hand to all of them, because without that it is not possible. Without him this is not possible. Now you have to have another clap for those who want to win for the next year. So please give a big clap for the people who want to participate and win next year. And once we keep on having winners changing and again and again, I think the growth figure which is shown by Mr. Ravindra Reddy is possible. Are you believing that the company, how many companies are there in the country who grow to an extent of 24%, 77%? Are you aware of those companies? Very rare. And you should feel proud that you are associated with that company which is called Bharati Cement. The way you are participating for last 3 years, the way you are contributing for last 3 years, I think we are sure that we will grow in this rate which we have projected, which we have kept for ourselves. We are always keeping destinations which is unique in nature. We have Hyderabad, we were Chennai, we were having Agra. And can you believe that Kerala is one of the best search destination on the Google in 2012, upbeating Taj Mahal. That means it has upbeated Agra, and we are here. And that is why Mr. Ravindra has selected this destination. So all of you should enjoy this Kerala. Not only today evening, not only drinks, but tomorrow, as it has been told about CCL match, which is very, very important. You can enjoy, you can meet celebrity and can support our team. Chennai. Irrespective, as Mr. Ravindra say, irrespective of the region, you are with Bharati and we are united for that team. The award gave a confidence that we can deliver it, and the award also institutionalized the challenge and competition among others, that who should also participate and achieve it. And if this spirit continues, I think we have no doubt to grow, because you have seen that one plant has already added in the family of Bharati Cement. And there is another line which is also planned, which is also 2.75 million. So we have very good growth plan, and which will definitely match with your growth, because everybody wants in life a growth. And if you grow, if we grow together, I think that is what we all want. And I am sure that the way you have nurtured, you have contributed like mother's contribution. When a child is born, mother contributes a lot to nurture, to grow, and to stabilize the child to some age, and after that it grows. So this first 3 years you have nurtured this child called Bharati Cement very well, and you have established this as a #1 brand, and I am sure and confident that you will keep on nurturing to this, because brand nurturing is very, very important and it has no end to it. You can't say that now we have fulfilled complete requirement. No, it is continuous, and that is what we needed, and that is what is required.